Broadcast yourself.
Please believe it. Every word I say is true. Please forgive me.
Tanga na, baka ma-break dito si Justin Bieber. Or, bitlatin yun, baka maskara lang yan.
Okay, pakita mo naman dito yung mga pinutara lang. Saka mo, tapos bigla mong ikaroon sa kanya. Ayan. Ayan,
Commercial, commercial.
Still feels like these times together. Still feels like a first dance. Still getting closer, baby. And
Mamahal ka ngayon.
no,
Nag-live mo yung tanga.
still falling on, still number one. I remember the smell of your skin. I remember everything. I remember all your moves. I remember you, yeah. I remember the nights, you know I still do. So when you're feeling lonely, dog, you're the only one I ever want. I only want to let go.
Baka si Brian Evans yan.
So I love you more than I
Si
should.
Brian Adams yan. Brian Adams.
Please forgive me. I know not what I do. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you. Don't deny me this pain I'm going through. Please forgive me. I need you like I do. Oh, believe me. Every word I see is true. Please forgive
Tapos sa uli,
me.
alisin mo yung ngipin mo.
Can't stop loving you.
Yo, yeah. Woo! Yeah!
One thing I'm sure of is the way we make love. I want you to feed on. His blessings stay strong. With every word and every
God.
breath I stay. Then I say yeah.
Para? Parang ito yung binabati niya. Baka sabihin kumakanta lang. Mas malakas ang trip niya. Walang mic. May computer lang sa titignan niya.
Ay! Polaris, yung Polaris ah. Ayan, yan, Polaris, yan. Kailang nagtatrabaho ko, ano?
Kilala yan. Friend ko si pare Marlon.
Guys! Ano yung nagtatrabaho na? Gawain mo to.
Mahirap kung sayang ang boses eh.
Nakahanap. Nakahanap siya, nakahanap.
Can't stop loving you.
Alisin mo yung ngipin mo para ano? Para lalakas yung boses mo. Yung ngipin mo ang nagpapasagabal eh.
Hi muna sa mga fans. Hi!
Hi, fans!
Hi fans!
Alisin mo
Hi,
yung ngipin
fans.
mo ah.
Okay, grazie mille. Type mo nga my way.